So you're probably wondering, what is an unglazed clay teapot? It actually has pores, just like our skin. So if you're drinking black tea regularly, then this teapot can become seasoned over time. You're essentially cultivating your teapot to become just like the tea itself. This is good because your tea will eventually just taste better. All the essential oils are being absorbed by the pot itself. So this is the beauty and benefit of an unglazed teapot and why you might want to consider one. It's almost like layering and stacking the flavors and keeping it inside. So the next time you brew with this very same tea, you're getting a much stronger flavor, more intensified. So this is a way to actually enhance the flavor of your next brew. Of course, some people might not notice the nuances, but it's just how it works. Let me know how it goes. I hope you found this helpful. And that's the Unglazed Clay Pot.